Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here. I know I do not sound good, but we're here with another foundation Friday. And if you want to see what foundation I test out on my channel today, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people.
Okay, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. So the foundation we're gonna talk about is the L.A Girl Tinted Foundation, and it's a we've got you covered. Sorry, we mean tinted. So they have 22 shades and it is $10. I don't know if this shade is gonna match me. It's 10. We'll see. And it says, on the days where a full glam face just feels like too much, tinted foundation has got you covered. I mean tinted. The buildable natural finish blurs imperfections with a sheer to medium wash of color, basically perfecting your no makeup routine. Packed with skin loving ingredients like glycerin, panthenol, vitamin E, ginseng root extract, and safflower seed oil. I don't know what that is. The skin will be brightened, hydrated, and soothed like a skincare, moisturizer, and foundation in one. Just as important as the ingredients we included are the things we left out. Tinted foundation is vegan, fragrance-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. Buildable natural finish, sheer to medium coverage, and the shebang. So let us give her a whirl. I'm actually gonna use this. I've never used this, but everybody and their mama is talking about this e.l.f. Power Grip primer. So let's use. Yeah, I've never used this. So bit. Take off my earrings because that's gonna be too much. Ooh, this might be a little bit light. I don't know. Might be fine. So it's a medium to buildable coverage. So we're just gonna go in. For brush, I'm gonna use my Flawless brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. Since it's light to buildable, I was like, I don't know about.
Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party. I laughed at the jokes you made.
It's like it just disappeared.
Now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make amends.
So normally I don't put foundation on my forehead, but this is like nada. Like I'll just put whatever is left on my brush, but I'm just gonna need some stuff because there's nothing going on. I don't know, I feel like I'm doing like a lot of like tinted moisturizers and like BB creams and stuff like that, but I feel like people like stuff like that for like, you know, the no makeup days. I heard this is a good match. So I don't think there's any buildable. I think it's just light coverage. It says it's buildable to medium coverage. There's no medium coverage. It's just light. Pretty much your skin. Nothing crazy. Then I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever concealer. I don't know how I feel about this. Foundation. This does not give that foundation, the coverage is very light. very light. Okay, so this is how everything is laying on this foundation. I don't know. I'm seeing all my freckles and all my situations here, so we'll see. I'll give you guys 2 check-ins and I will give you my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later.
I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess.
Hi guys, so I'm doing my first check-in. You know, sitting at the yard house, just chilling. For now, I've been wearing this foundation about maybe 2 hours. My face still feels pretty matte because I haven't really been doing much. So, yeah. My nose are shiny like Rudolph. But yeah, nothing. I'm not anything crazy, so we'll see. I'm gonna keep wearing the foundation. I mean, it is a $10 foundation, and well, it's not really a foundation, it's more like a tinted moisturizer, so I'm not really expecting anything crazy, but I'm just gonna keep wearing it. We're gonna eat, and then I will give you guys one more check-in and my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my.
Hi guys, so I am doing my second check-in. Look at this though, this is so pretty. Face still looking amazing. But I feel like I haven't really done a lot to make me sweat, so I feel like I still look, you know, good. But lips gone, just finished it. So not too bad. But yeah, everything is still looking fine. My face still feels pretty matte. As I say, I haven't really been walking outside a lot. It is a little bit humid, but nothing too crazy because it's starting to cool down now because we're in fall. But yeah, so still looking amazing, still looking good, no real separation. Just around my lips, but I think I wipe it off, so that's why. So yeah, so this is my last check-in, and I will give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you later. Hi guys, we're back and time to talk about this foundation. Where is it? Oh, right here. So it's from LA Girls, and it's the tinted foundation, buildable natural finish. The shade I got was tan, which was a perfect match. So let's take a look. Let's ignore this whatever is going on here, because I have a cold / flu whatever, and my nose is peeling. But I do have a little bit of something happening here and then here, but nothing crazy. I feel like too it could be me kind of wiping my nose, because you know I don't feel good, so just keep wiping and wiping and wiping. But apart from that, like, I don't feel like, you know, it was like terrible. The foundation is $10 and there's 22 shades, so I feel like it's good actually if you're looking for a tinted moisturizing kind of thing, everyday, during the day, work kind of makeup situation. I think like it would be like a really good, or no makeup day kind of thing. I feel like that would be a good option. Is it a good foundation for a full bit? Maybe not. If you have a lot of like skin problems, like, you know, acne or just texture skin, and you want like full coverage to cover it up, that's not gonna be it. Like, it's not gonna be that foundation for that. But if you do have problem skin but you still want to just something that's like just really light and airy, and you know you don't have to really think about it too much, I think that's a good option. It did not cover, but it also didn't, you know, extenuate on any of that, so it's not like it made it, you know, more like you could see it even more. So it just kind of lay nicely. It was very kind of dewy, so if you have oily skin, you want to prep the skin, like, you know, properly before you use that foundation. So final question of the day is, do I recommend this foundation? Yes. $10, good everyday foundation, good for mature skin, perfect. So yeah, so that's it guys for this foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made.